Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is this is a new one. It's a technical analysis, candlestick chart online trading video. Yes, and I will do the same what I have done on the trade school videos. Yes, only that I will base more importance of the technical analysis. Yes, because I will discuss with you those trades which I have done on support and resistance, and I will explain this more in detail why I was taking a trade and why I do not take trades at this kind of levels based on the candlestick chart. Yes, and also on the technical analysis. Yes. All based on the online trading. All my things are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick mice, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. So, okay, let's start. Let's see what I can explain here on this technical analysis candlestick chart. Yes, online trading videos. So where do I get this video? Here we have this kind of video you see here. Let me first of all explain the market condition. We have here some areas here. This is a nice area here. You see, this is a nice support level. Yes, and this area goes. Okay, wait. I will do this in some other way. I will do this with rectangles to show you the area. This is an area here. Yes, this you see here the change of polarity. We have here resistance, and here we have support. Yes, and the same is valid here. Yes, this is the area we have here. Starts the resistance. Yes, resistance. Here we got support. Yes, and here resistance. Yes, support. Yes, and this is the area. Yes, that is how you should view your support and resistance areas. Yes, here in between. Here in between you can see it can be here in between I would not draw any kind of support and resistance level, but this can be one support and resistance. For example, the change of polarity, this kind of area here. Yes, this would be also support and resistance area. So this kind of three areas. Yes, and that is yes, and you see how they are working. Here we have fake breakout. Yes, here fake breakout of this area, and yes, and here it looks like the same. Yes, here we got a breakout of this area, and then you could do another call here on this level. Yes, okay, so that is this one. Let's see if I will start. I will focus on technical analysis, yes, and candlestick chart. Okay, we have here a ranging market. You see, this is a Bollinger squeeze. So we get ranging market now. And what I have told you in my live trading video examples, after a Bollinger squeeze, you get a ranging or consolidation area, and after this, there will be a breakout. So, okay, we got now this kind of area. This is almost confirmed, like I have explained in my support and resistance videos, where I have explained, yes, this the change of polarity. Here, resistance. Yes, you see also how nice this candle is closing exactly on this level. Then we get a breakout. This candle is a breakout out of this, yes. And after this, we got a fake breakout, or here at this level could be another support and resistance area, and then we got a reversal here, yes, after this uptrend. And then you see here again how this area is working exactly on here on this candle here, on those two candles which are doing a reversal here. Yes, you see this is confirming this kind of area. Yes, and after this you see here a lot of more wicks which are showing that this area is acting as resistance, and after this candle is getting broke through it, yes, here this and this wick is showing that there are sellers. That's the reason why this candle didn't create a big candle. It was only a weak candle, but still with the pressure, buyer's pressure. Yes, this wick here below is showing buying pressure. The next candle is another weak candle, but closes higher than the previous one, which shows you or shows an uptrend. Then the next one after the close also above the support and resistance level, and then the third one get down to this, got another rejection and closed again above this, which showed that there's still buyers in this. Buyers there. Yes, that is still a nice support level. You see, here it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tentatives to get broken. Yes, and so you can here expect at least 3 times that price will be above this level, because this is a sign. Sorry, this is a sign for this area that this is a strong support and resistance level. Okay, so let's see. I will do play and then we will see it. As soon as there is something to tell you, I will explain this more in detail. I will do this technical analysis, candlestick chart online trading videos, mostly on the weekend, because I'm discussing those videos which I have already done. So I entered here into a call. Why? Sorry. We have here an uptrend. Yes, you see that is also important to understand. This overall trend here is ranging, yes, because we got a Bollinger Squeeze, and after this Bollinger Squeeze, we got, yes, we expect a breakout. But important is the alignment of the EMAs here. That is shows the trend. Yes, we have here the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200, and they are aligned in this kind of manner that they are getting wider, and more wider there will be. Yes. Better it is in this cancellation, better the stronger the trend is. Yes, and that's the reason that I understood after I saw all these wicks here, which are all resistance, that this candle here will probably not break through this area, at least not at this candle. Yes, and that's the reason why I entered into a call after I saw the rejection from this level here again. Yes, because that of the strong support and resistance level, and that was the reason why I entered into a call. So let's see what's happening here. I will probably doing some more trades, trading videos of those of this concept, so that I can on weekend explain the details, the support and resistance trading videos much clearer and more in detail, to make this kind of things more yes, more clear to you. So, and now we are going higher, and we broke also through this area here, this round number, the 1.1700, which is really yeah, it was a strong support resistance area, but the trend is strong. Yes, and that's is showing me here. So I have entered here into a put. Why I entered immediately into a put? Because first of all, this Marubozu candlestick, yes, which would be a trend continuation pattern. Yes, that is important. Marubozu candlesticks are almost trend continuation pattern, but not if that are exhaustion candles. And this is an exhaustion candle, yes, because first of all, exhaustion candles are huge candles like this one. Yes, really huge. If you compare this candle with the last 12 or I would say 20 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, if you compare this candle with the last 15 candles, you will see that this is really a big candle, yes, and that is what exhaustion candles are about, yes. And this exhaustion candle stops exactly on the level of this wick here, of this pin bar, yes, shooting star, pin bar, call it like what you want, from which a downtrend started. Yes, that is important. This pin bar, yes, has this shooting star has initiated a downtrend, and this was the reason for me to enter here into a put, because this wick here is shows a strong resistance level. Yes. Also, if we have here such kind of strong uptrend, yes. But because we are here out of the Bollinger Band, we have here nothing else than oversold. We are here overbought area. This is a strong overbought area. Yes, if you would put here the RSI, you would see that this is really strong overbought, and so you have a confluence. We have here a resistance level. Yes, a strong one, because after this reversal here, it started a downtrend. Yes, that shows a strong resistance level, and this candle was an exhaustion candle at this key level, which shows also that we would get here a retracement at least. The thing is, you have also to understand the market condition. Yes, we got in this kind of condition not slowly and steady. It was a sharp movement upwards that we got out of this ranging market into this breakout. Yes, that is why what you have to understand when you are trading the reversals at the Bollinger Band. Yes, if you have such a huge candle, such kind of exhaustion candle, which got a really strong outside the Bollinger Band after the ranging area here. Yes, you see, so it was not something like this here. You see here a few green candles, yes, and all those candles are getting breaks through this area really slowly, and then it was steady up. No, it was here 1, 2, 3 from a fake breakout. Yes, below. Yes, it was tricky. It looked like it would go down further, crosses the middle Bollinger Band again. Yes, and then it got above. Yes, so that this was something else. That is something else than if you get here immediately from this level into such kind of breakout, which crosses the Bollinger Band and with an exhaustion candle. Important is also this one here. Yes, the Bollinger Band. You see here this area. This Bollinger Band is showing that here we have also an extreme level. Yes, this level here, the same high as this wick, is the Bollinger Band, which shows that we have here an extreme level, and so you got here confluence of this wick, yes, which shows resistance. The Bollinger Band, which shows here its resistance, that is this green line, yes, and also this level here, for example, would be a support level. And you see, if you do this more longer, yes, you will see it's this kind of area here. Yes, that is a confirmation that this is an area here, this Bollinger Band. Yes, and you see it's also moving here to this level too. Yes. That is what the Bollinger Band is telling you. And so you can also expect that we got a support and resistance level here, yes, this area, because you see here the Bollinger Band is also flat. This is the flat area of the ranging market. So, okay, that was this one. I think I have done this technical analysis in detail. So let's see what this trade has done. Yeah, it looks good at the moment. Yes, but you see, price is trying to push price up because we have obviously a major uptrend, yes, but then we got another rejection, yes, and price is going down, yes, that is this one. So, and you see that this looks like a retracement, yes, or a reversal, depending on what kind of candle. More this candle goes up, more this wick will bigger here, the lower shadow will bigger, more the probability that that will be only a retracement and not a reversal. Yes, that is the importance that you have to give the wicks. Yes, the lower and the upper shadow are telling you exactly this. So, and okay, that was a nice. Yes, it was at the end nice, but it was not enough to give me the signal that this would be a continuation, because we crossed again the Bollinger Band. We didn't close above the Bollinger Band. We closed below the Bollinger Band, yes, and that is almost a reversal sign, yes, and that's the reason maybe that I didn't enter into a trade, because I was not sure, because the lower wick was big, got a rejection from this area here, which is another support and resistance area. Let me show you this now. So we have here this kind of support and resistance. If you get this rectangle, you see this is the area here, yes, the support and resistance area, and you can draw this to the line, yes, here, and this one is crossing this, yes, and you see here what I explain almost often. Here we have support, here we have resistance, here we have resistance, yes, and here we got support, yes, and that's the reason why this area is a nice area. I didn't draw this, yes, but this is the concept behind this. So okay, let's see how this finished. As it's changing, I'm drawing a line. Okay, I'm drawing exactly this. I draw a line, yes, but I have shown you the support and resistance level, yes. I have shown you the area. I'm drawing here only a line, yes, but I mean an area, this area which I have drawn, yes. And yes, nice that I have drawn this area too, yes, and that shows me that I'm right with that, what I'm telling you here. And then after this, I understood from the wick, yes, from this wick here. I don't know why I have the button here on the put. I do not understand this because the wick showed me here that we are getting into uptrend again, a pullback of the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, that is what I would have understood much more earlier. I was a little bit more careful, yes, and I tried to avoid this because yes, I wanted to understand this better, but at the end I would have understood this earlier because I showed you the support and resistance level, and that was a pullback, yes, based on the wicks here. Yes, those wicks have showed me, yes, that we are getting here in a pullback. We have here a tweezers bottom, yes, we have here a tweezers bottom, and that was the reason, yes, why I was doing a call. Yes, that was already. I hope that this kind of technical analysis, candlestick chart, online trading videos have explained those things more in detail. So I would say that was it. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.